Welcome to Middletown, Ohio, where Heartland Health is cranking out masks for our community and beyond.
Our NexGen mask is actually FDA approved now, so it's the only manufactured Ohio FDA mask right now.
A well-oiled machine, one they felt was needed in our backyard.
Well, we decided that we needed something that could go to anybody, whether you were a janitorial, if you ran a school. We wanted to make sure that we had a product line that could reach anybody that needed it at that time.
They produce 3 different types of masks. This one is called the NexGen mask.
It's super comfortable. Everybody that puts it on says that it's one of the most comfortable masks that they ever wore. It's really easy to breathe in. The breathability rate is through the roof, but like I said, it's going to protect you. It's going to keep you safe.
Just squeeze down on the nose a little bit. My glasses don't seem to fog up near as bad. You might still get a little bit of that, but that's to be expected, but not near as bad as some of the other ones. So, and then when you don't need it, you just pull it back down and it's right there and it's comfortable and it doesn't bother you.
We got with a design team and they designed a whole machine from start to finish here in the USA. So the machines are made in the USA. We source all of our materials domestically throughout the lower 48 states.
And the best part is the efficiency of this machine. It makes about 30,000 masks in 8 hours.
This makes our standard mask that you see all around. So we use our spun bond material and our melt blown filter material. So it's a 3-layer mask.
Each mask made with precision.
It folds over right here and it puts the metal piece in, the nose wire piece. And it comes through and it folds through our folder, and then it creates this piece. And then it conveys down the conveyor into these other conveyors that feed each ear loop machine. As it goes through, it exits out at 10 at a time.
Comfortability was one of their main goals.
And all the materials we use they're not the recycled rubberized stuff that other foreign countries use and stuff like that. So that's why our masks are also comfortable, because you're not going to have the skin irritation and stuff like that like you do on other masks.
So why not support this local business? Whether you need a few or in bulk, they have you covered.
Because we're a small business at the end of the day. We found the pain point that Americans were running into and beating their heads against the wall, and we said we're going to be here and we're going to step up and make it American made from end to end and service us Americans in our backyard.